Hello, NeXT community. Just a short video. I'm going to test out these mice and repair them if necessary. Often it's just the cable if they don't go up and down or side to side. And I was able to repair this scsi cable by taking out these two screws, checking all the connections, and then moving the connector back up into the cable back up into the connector. And I'm going to test that out. I've got a bunch of different projects. I got to repair a monitor or change out a shell on a monitor. The corner's cracked for another customer. And all these mice are sold. They're going out with systems. They look to be in pretty good shape. And just thought I'd make a little short video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.